once again to our science lessons. Today we'll be looking at force and energy, and then we'll look at force and movement as the main topic, force and movement. In our daily basis, people walk. You see people running. We see people dancing and people jumping around. What do you think is enabling them to do all these activities? It is force. What then is force? Force has to do with a push or pull of object. A push or pull of object. If you push an object, you are applying force and the object has to move. If you pull something, an object, you are applying force and the object has to move. So in our daily life, we apply force to move objects from one location to the other. What we need to know is that when force is applied, the object can move from one position to the other. For instance, if you are running, the position of your body keeps changing from one point to the other. So we are saying that it's the force that is causing the change of the body position during that activity. Very good. Now, force has effects. Force has effects, so we call it effect of force. For instance, what I'm holding is a piece of paper. It's a piece of paper. Look at its shape very well. Now I'm going to apply force to this sheet of paper and you will realize that the size of the paper will change. Look at it. What can you see now? The size of the paper has changed. So one of the effects of force is that it changes the size of objects. Now, the same way it has changed the shape of this paper I was holding. If a chair is standing and you decide to push it, it will change the position of the chair. So force also changes the position of object. Remember, the chair was stable and you pushed it by applying what? Force. So the position has been changed. Now when you kick a ball and the ball is rolling on the ground and miss another person or another thing, the ball will stop. That's because force has stopped the ball. So force is able to stop moving object. Moving object. Alright, let's continue. Force is very important in our daily life and we use it and we need it every day. Some of the effects of forces that we need to talk about are: it is able to reduce the speed of objects. When you are running and someone holds you, the pressure or the speed at which you are running would reduce. So we say what? Force reduces the speed of objects. Force reduces the speed of objects. You need it, I need it, and we use it in our daily activities to achieve the desired result of activities that we undertake. I know you can push a table at home and look at it, the position will change. If you lift your chair up, the position will change. Kick a ball, the position will change. So all this is force and movement. And as I said earlier, force is a push or pull of objects. See you in our next episode. Bye.